Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Next, tap General, then select Software Update. On the Software Update screen, tap Beta Updates. Choose iOS 27 Beta from the list. It may take a few moments to load, so just wait until it's selected. Once it's selected, go back to the previous screen. You should now see the iOS 27 beta update available. Tap Download and Install, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. That's how you can get the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.